A very satisfying feast of sea, land and air. Walking in the old streets of Barcelona, it feels like traveling through history. The English commentary is very professional and makes us linger. In addition, the helicopter experience is also very good, but the time in the air is a little shorter some. Trini is an excellent guide which we enjoy our day tour so much. Happy to join the trip with a great weather. Even you have choice to change the boat part to another day as you wish. Worth every ringgit. All the activities were on time. The guide is friendly and super helpful. This is the best way to view the best of Barcelona city. This is a journey to experience Barcelona in 3 different ways: sea, land and air. The first is walking on land. According to your guide, you will see small details that you haven't noticed in Barcelona, and then board the cruise ship to experience the beauty of the sea and sky. Of course, I have said so much, the highlight is in the back, boarding the helicopter to escape the shackles of the horizon, overlooking the beauty of Barcelona from a high altitude. Although the time is short, the process is enough to make you remember deeply. I believe it is a very unforgettable memory. At the same time, the staff is friendly throughout the journey, and they will be happy to help you no matter what the problem is. The walking tour was interesting, and the guide was walking us through Gaudí's works in the city. We headed to the helicopter ride, which was the star of the whole tour. We had to wait quite a bit as we were a group of 18 people and the helicopter could only fit 3 people per ride. You could go on the boat tour anytime that day based on the schedule, but it wasn't that exciting. Good to relax and have a drink, smile. Ariadna was our tour guide. She provided our high quality and professional services with clear explanation. 3 different experiences gave us different views of Barcelona. The helicopter experience was great, even only 6 minutes. Value for money and unforgettable. The meeting place is relatively easy to find. The Chinese tour guide is very good and explains a lot of history. He will also tell us what activities will be held in Spain this month. The helicopter experience is very fresh, and the 1-hour boat ride is not bad either. The meeting point is in Ali Lane, Gaudí district. It takes some time to find it, but it is a very textured travel agency. The 1-hour walk is more focused on history, and the tour guide is more ordinary. The 1-hour cruise is not bad, and the large seats of the boat are comfortable, so you don't have to worry about seasickness. The last helicopter is awesome. It is a group of 3 people. The skyline is clear at a glance. It is much more stable than expected. Recommended. Amazing experience. Must go in Barcelona. Just got noticed will join the English tour instead of Chinese tour after asking the tour guide. Will be better if informed earlier.